But one way to have more precious resources directed towards good science is to get rid of the frivolous studies.
Politicians will tell you that millions of taxpayer dollars, your hard-earned money, are being funneled into ridiculous scientist pet projects.
Next, more than $82,000. That's how much of your taxpayer money is being spent on trying to create stuttering mice.
All right, I'm standing in front of our wheel of waste here. So let's spin the wheel, and I want you to explain some of the waste that our government is spending.
Some of these pet projects, they really don't make a whole lot of sense. And sometimes these dollars, they go to projects having little or nothing to do with the public good. Things like fruit fly research in Paris, France. I kid you not.
And while that last one might sound like a fun sequel to Emily in Paris, is it really worth the cost? In Frivolous Science, I sit down with researchers behind some of the silliest sounding studies.
Kind of zany dream of mine is actually to have like a research dumpster.
We get to the bottom of what headlines get wrong, what these studies are really about, and why it actually matters. Because while picturing shrimps on tiny treadmills might make you laugh,
wow. As in sea shrimp, as in shrimp and scallop shrimp?
Exactly.
some of the biggest scientific breakthroughs often start with questions that sound absurd. You'll hear directly from the scientists behind those unconventional questions, the surprising discoveries they lead to, and the joy of curiosity-driven science. Frivolous Science is a new podcast, and the first episode comes out December 1st. Subscribe now to get notified when it drops, and tell all your friends.